Okay, good morning. We are about to do some sun salutations. We're going to do 5, and then we're going to throw tree in. So, let's get started. So we're going to stand at the front of our mat. Standing tall in mountain pose. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. So hands come down to the floor. Inhale, come up halfway so that hands can dangle. Stepping back into plank, plank or knee plank. Lower down, chaturanga. So it's a low plank. It's called chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest, coming up into our upward dog, and then coming into down dog. So pushing back, bending the knees, come to down dog. Okay, so pedal out the feet. So try to keep the feet about hips width apart. Good, and then on your next inhale, look forward and stepping both feet to the front of the mat and up to fingertips. Or you can have the hands on shins, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slowly standing, rising up, saying good morning to the sun, and then flowing back down. Good, so the hands are all the way to the mat, bending knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. Now we're stepping back into plank. And then we lower, low plank. So tighten the abdomen as we're lowering down. Inhale, reaching chest forward. So you can do cobra as well, or up dog. Feeling the chest opening. Exhale, down dog. Okay, so we bend the knees a little bit. So bend the knees first, and then straighten legs. Bend knees a little bit, Max, and straighten legs. Now feet could be hips width apart, Max, like a little bit more apart, yep. Good, okay, so on your next inhale, stepping both feet to the front, come up halfway, and then as we exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, standing, rising up. Another hello to the sun, nice to see it out today. And exhale, we're just standing back to center. Okay, so we've done 2 sun salutations. We're gonna do tree pose. So, we're gonna stand tall. So, Max has started. So let's take this leg. So you see this one? Lift it. Okay, so we're lifting up this knee. I'm not gonna say it right or left because everything kind of gets mixed up for us in the morning. So we're just going to take this leg that we see here and place it on the calf below the knee. Now Max, since he does a lot of trees, has chosen to place it above the knee. Max, what do you have to say about that?
I never put it on the knee because it could like damage it.
Yes, because we have a lot of things supporting the knee. So let's take our hands together, and we do it slowly as well. Okay, come on. Let's take this leg. So we can place it below the knee on the calf. So, what we're trying to do is we're trying to open up the legs, bringing the hands together. And sometimes we wobble and come out of it. One thing is that balance is really important as we get older. You know, Max will be 12 in November, and you know, your balance starts going. So we've got to practice. You can practice every day, a bit of balance. It's great for the feet and ankles too. Gives them a bit of a strength training. Okay, we're going to come to this side of the mat. You can stay at the front of your mat. Just trying things from a different angle. Standing tall, mountain pose. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Hands coming down to the forehead to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. And stepping back into plank. And lower down. So as we're lowering down, try to keep the elbows tight to the side as it need to. You can do this on your knees as well. Inhale, lifting up into our cobra or up dog. So I'm choosing up dog. Maybe lift the knees off the mat if you're in up dog. So engaging your quads or your thighs. Okay, coming to down dog. So I usually like to bend the knees and come into down dog. So just my back likes it better. But some people like to do it with straight legs. Okay, so I'm still pedaling out the feet. I think that at this stage, when we're doing sun salutations in the morning, give the backs of the legs a bit of stretch by that pedaling that warms it up, that kind of quicker motion. Or you can just drive the heels down, lifting up the tailbone, You can bend the knees a little bit if the legs still feel a bit tight. On your next inhale, look forward. Step both feet to the front of the mat. Come up halfway and exhale, forward fold. So bending the knees, so even the chest could rest on the knees. Inhale, standing, rising up. Morning sun. And then we'll flow down again. Hands come to the floor, head to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. Stepping back into plank. So I usually hold my breath when I step back into plank, and then I release the exhale, lowering down. Inhale, chest reaches forward, coming up into our upward dog. A big smile, trying to reach forward with the chest, extending through the whole body. Exhaling into down dog. Good, just adjusting the hands. So try not to put all the weight on the wrists, so pushing the knuckles into the mat, pushing the fingers into the mat. Push the tailbone upward. Tighten up the fronts of the legs. So lift the kneecaps. Oops, I just saw a little bit of back there. That's what happens if you don't wear really tight clothes. See, there's a little bit of back there. Okay, on your next inhale, look forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Come up halfway, you come to fingertips or hands on shins, that's a nice one. We're trying to have a flat back, so just look forward. And exhale for forward fold. Let the head drop down. Inhale, standing, rising. Thinking about that full body stretch, reaching through the body. Come back to center. It's another tree. Another tree. What side are we starting on? Just show me.
This side.
This side, okay, this side. So I tend to lift the knee up first and then open the hip. This is a hip opening pose, as well as a balancing pose. Tighten your abdomen by pulling in your belly button. So if you've got strong strength in your center, the rest of the body parts stay stable. So again, all that movement over here might mean that Max has a lot on his mind. He's got exam coming up on Monday, and maybe that's on his mind, or the fact we haven't had breakfast yet. He might have been thinking about breakfast. Okay, so we're in our tree pose. Oops. Good. Release. Other side. Try to do tree, hold tree for as long as you can, remembering to breathe as well. So, again, I lift the knee and then open it up to the side. Again, making sure that we're not pushing on the leg, we're not pushing and we're not making contact with that knee. So, hands on hips, and then you can bring the hands forward. Try to open up the hip a bit. And just breathing. So you might find that you're trying to focus so much on staying upright that you're not thinking about anything. And that's just another yoga trick for just calming the mind, calming all that chatter that happens in the mind throughout the day. We're just trying to reduce a bit of that. Okay, there's our tree. Well done. Now, one more sun salutation. Shall we go this way? Just kind of mixing it up. We're just doing a lot of these sun salutation A's, mixing it up. Maybe you want to mix it up by doing it in different areas around the house or outdoors or wherever. It's sunny out today, so maybe do it outside up in your back garden. Okay, in January. Okay, so standing tall, plant pose. Inhale, lifting the arms up over the head. Full body stretch. Exhale, flowing down as we exhale. Hands come all the way to the floor, bend the knees. Inhale, straight legs look forward. Now we're stepping back into plank. Stepping back while we hold our breath. Then a nice relieving exhale as we come down. So low plank. Trying to keep the back fully lined, so not dropping the head down. Inhale, reaching forward, cobra or up dog. Big inhale, reaching forward with the chest and exhaling. Go down dog. Okay, so we can lift up the heels. So we can lift up both heels if you want, Max. We'll do both heels and driving heels down. So you can lift heels, driving them down. So still just working on stretching out the backs of the legs and using that pushing of the tailbone upward to stretch the entire body. So feeling it through the hands, the arms. Okay, on your next inhale, look forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips. Exhale, forward fold. So hands come down, head to knees. Inhale, rising up. Reaching arms up, overhead, full body stretch, enjoying that, feeling it. Exhale, back to center. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. If you can remember throughout the day, even when the kettle's boiling or anything, even just lifting a knee and balancing, you don't have to do tree. But the tree is nice because it does open up the hips. It might be a nice break for when you're at your desk to lift up the knee and open up. You can even do some circles, just because the whole front of the body gets really tired if it sits for long periods of time. So let's keep our bodies moving. Thanks so much. See you soon.